They smell good. I think good. Did you turn it on already?
Yeah.
You can't eat the tires. Don't eat the tires. No. Hey, girl, you're the one that we want. Yes, you are. Go ahead, climb up in there. See what's in there. Good big. You don't need that. She's in there already.
Alright, you want to watch them while I sort them?
Easy peasy.
Not this
That's right.
one.
All right. All right. Come on, Mama. Good pig. Good pig.
Not this one.
Okay. Don't eat that. Don't eat.
I use this C-clamp to press these in. Get my grease fitting on there. It's got these little clips right here that instead of a snap ring, I guess this is a snap ring, but it's on the back side. And they just snap right on there. So that was easier than I thought for that part. What happened was this U-joint come apart right here. Of course, while I was busy. So what I do with this is you just got to be careful that the needles stay in place. And I thought I was going to have to go to the John Deere dealer to get this, but I went to Agri Supply and they had it. So I was happy about that because it's Saturday and I got 3 fields of hay on the ground where it's Saturday night. That's how a farmer spends his Saturday night. Okay. So just like that. There. Now maybe we can put that on there. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, that ain't what I want. And then there. All right, don't breathe. I'm gonna take this C-clamp. to the other side. See if that helps me. She's just about there. That feels a little better. So I had to drive all the way to Monroe. No, oh, look at there. Look at there. I had to drive all the way to Monroe to get this part, but I was so surprised when I seen that they had it. Thankful. I have to do some editing on this so it looks like I know what I'm doing. Right. Come on, baby. Oh, look at there. How wonderful is that? I just loaded up a little bit. It come with grease, so that should be pretty good. Let me put this back on. So this thing was working like a Swiss watch. But even Swiss watches break down at some point. It's only, what, probably 50 years old, maybe 60, more than that.